Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. That is English for grade 3. We are learning Unit 9. Its title is Domestic Duties and Chores. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it to your convenience. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of Read and Think, we are going to learn how to read a pie chart. Before this, in English for grade 2, we have learned how to tell the time on different type of clocks, on analog and digital clock. I hope you remember this concept. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And this concept tells us for same information, there can be different ways to show it. The way we can find time in digital clock as well as analog. Likewise, beta, for all type of data, we can present it in different ways. This is what we are going to learn today, and our today's SLO is read information in a pictures, graph, and a pie chart. We'll discuss pie chart today, and picture graph, inshallah, we'll discuss tomorrow. So this is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Sabah, verse 13, they made for him what he willed of elevated chambers, statues, walls like reservoirs, and stationary cattle. We said, work, O family of David, in gratitude, and few of my servants are grateful. Yes, my dear children. Beta, what this beautiful verse is telling us. Allahu Akbar. This verse is about Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam, who was son of Hazrat Dawood alayhi salam. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying, they made, who? Jinns. You know, Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam and Hazrat Dawood alayhi salam was able to, Allah has given them ability that they can control jinns, airs, and very many creatures, right? So this was a ability given by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to them, right? So beta, they were making different, you see, all these are like chambers, statues, balls like reservoir. These are all different things they were making. So once again, like different structures, the way we can make from the same material, we can make different structures. Likewise, from the same data, we can make different execution of that data, right? Whatever information we want to show, we can show it in different ways, right? So inshallah, we'll talk about it further. So first you tell me, what is a pie chart? Do you know anything about it? Whatever you know, pause the video, tell to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, pie chart is basically, pie chart sometimes called a circle graph as well, is used to compare data. Slices of different size are marked on a circle, that is called a pie. Okay, just like a pizza slice, one slice of the circle is called a pie, based on what part of the whole they represent, and this is how it looks like. The whole data. And what does data mean? Information, number. Like we have learned, we can write numbers in digits and in words, right? We can spell it and we can write it. Likewise, better, the information what we collect, we can write it in numbers and we can write it in pictures as well. One of the type is called pie chart. This is how a pie looks like, just like a pizza. So one part is called a pie. You see, this part is called the pie. How do we do it? For example, there are 100 students and we ask them which one is your favorite food, right? So out of 100, 25 says I like pear, 13 says I like peach, 19 says I like strawberry, and 44 says I like orange. So this is how we take the information, we write it in numbers, and then we can show it in a pie picture, in a pie chart. This is known as the title of this chart. This is known as the legend or key. This color is representing peach, This color is representing strawberry. This color is representing orange. This color is representing pear. So this is the key which tells us which color is showing which fruit, and this number is telling us the ratio or the number from the total information, what number goes to each part. Do you understand? So today we are not going to learn how to make a pie chart. We are just going to learn how to read a pie chart. So first of all, we look at the title, then we read the information, pear, peach, whatever the information is given, we read it, and by looking at this, we can find many things. We can, by reading it. If I ask you which fruit maximum students like, so the biggest pie is representing the fruit which is most liked. And which one is that? Orange. And which one is least liked out of these fruits? The shortest, the smallest pie will show that, and that is peach. You see? So this is how better we read information in this pie chart. Do you understand? Okay. So this pie chart has been given in your book. Now let's read it. What's written here? There are different type of fast food we have taken. So fries, 31, maybe out of 100, 31 children like fries. 26 children likes burger, and 21 children like fried chicken. 14 children like pizza, and just 8 children like sandwich. Right? This is how we read it. Now once again, which food children like the most? The number which is given to highest, the highest number, the biggest pie, which one is that? This one. So it means maximum children out of this survey, out of this collection of information, 31 children like fries, and that is highest number, right? And what they like least, which one is the smallest pie? That is sandwich. So sandwich is like least. The most liked food is fries. After that, burger comes. After that, fried chicken comes. After that, pizza, and then sandwich. You understand? This is how better we read it, and we understand, and we can compare the information by looking at the size of the pie, right? Okay. So this is how we read our pie chart. Now, let's practice it through an activity. We are going to read more pie charts. What you will do? Let's read. Teacher will divide class in groups, and teacher will show pie charts. Students will read. Teacher, this is one of the example I brought here. I suggest you collect many pie charts, show it to the students in groups, and make them to read it, to compare the information, and you may ask different type of question. This questionnaire I made, so this is valid for maximum pie charts. You can ask for every pie chart. You can make questions like this. So make every child able to read a pie chart. So pause the video, enjoy the activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. It's interesting new information for you, right? So here is your homework. You will read another pie chart at home. And here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience, and give a printed worksheet to students for practicing how to read a pie chart. So what we have learned today, to read information in our pie chart. So today our focus was pie chart. Tomorrow, inshallah, we'll learn about picture graph. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with the very interesting lesson. Till the time, keep learning, keep practicing. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.